How to hide your friend list on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to hide your friends list on Facebook. So let's get into it. You will open up your Facebook on your laptop, PC or your mobile phone, and you have to go to your settings. In your settings, you have to go to privacy. The first way to hide your friend list is by locking your profile. So what you can do is simply go to privacy and you can lock your profile. This way, different users on Facebook won't be able to see your information or your friend list. So this is the first way you can do this, and this way you will be able to actually lock your profile. Another way to hide your friends list is by simply going to your activity, and here you can see who can see the people pages list you follow. So this is where you can also hide your friend list, and you can see how people can find me, who can see your friend list, and you have to edit it to only me. Only me means that no one will be able to see your friend list, and this is the setting that you need to change. Simply go to settings, privacy, and go to how people can find you and contact you. Then switch to only me in who can see your friend list. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.